Hi, my name is Tom Muckian. I'm with Whitmore. I'm the Director of Technical Services. I want to talk to you about gear oils for very highly loaded gearboxes. This is Paragon Gold. Not a very exciting looking product, looks like any other gear oil, but it is a different technology. Normal gear oil is sulfur phosphorus technology, which goes back 100 years or more. This product was invented in the 70s and uses a synergistic blend of additives that create a tremendous amount of wet wear protection. The funny thing is though, on normal ASTM tests, it doesn't look that glorious. So we, in an attempt to show the world that this is a better product, searched around the industry and found that there is another test on the 4-ball machine at much higher load, higher speed, and shorter duration. And it has a much more dramatic impact. If you take a look at this slide, on the left we have a good quality competitor's product, specialty product, that looks pretty good on the standard tests. And we ran it under the severe conditions, and as you can see, the damage that was done to the 3 lower balls on the 4-ball machine. Not only is the scar wide, but there's gouging. When you look on the right, under the same conditions, same setup, Paragon Gold, there's almost no wear at all. In fact, in some cases, and some of the balls, the scar area almost looks smoother than the area outside the scar. Well, we now have proven that this product can stop wear. It also can smooth surfaces. And this is something that is a little bit more difficult to explain. All extreme pressure gear oils work by creating a slippery coating on the surface and trying to prevent metal-to-metal contact. Paragon Gold just does it better. And I can liken this process to what happens on a sandy beach when people walk on it, dance on it, play volleyball or whatever. The pressure from their feet causes irregularities and damage, just like you can get on the surface of gears and bearings in heavily loaded situations. If you were to take sheets of plywood and lay them on top and have the people come back again and do exactly the same thing, you can imagine what the effect would be when you take away those sheets of plywood. Now the sand looks smoother. Same number of people, same amount of pressure, same activity, but now instead of causing damage, you get a smoothing effect. And that's what happens with the coating, the slippery coating that's created by Paragon Gold. You have the same load, you have the same energy, the same force going on, but instead of causing damage, it actually starts to smooth out the surfaces. A process that's hard to believe until you see it. So if your gears are suffering from pre-existing damage, if they're very highly loaded, such as, for instance, shovel gearboxes, that's a perfect example, extruders, any kind of crushers, gearboxes, in steel mills, where your gears are getting scuffed or already scuffed, this is the answer, Paragon Gold. Thank you very much for listening.